Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with what can only be described as the best of the best, the EVA NYC Kweeen Glitter Spray. If you're looking to add a touch of sparkle and shine to your hair, look no further. This lightweight, non-sticky glitter spray from EVA NYC is here to save the day. Whether you're heading to a festival, a party, or just want to add some extra glam to your everyday look, this spray has got you covered. One of the things that sets this glitter spray apart is its versatility. Not only can you use it on your hair to create shimmering locks that catch the light and turn heads, but you can also use it on your body for a full-on glittery glow.
Talk about a multitasker. And let's talk about the formula.
This spray is specially designed to be lightweight and non-sticky, so you can enjoy all the sparkle without any of the hassle.
Plus, it's easy to wash out, so you can switch up your look as often as you like without any worries. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how much is this glittery goodness going to set me back? Well, you'll be happy to know that this EVA NYC Kweeen Glitter Spray is available at an incredible price, especially considering the magic it works on your hair. Plus, with free delivery and secure transactions, ordering online has never been easier. So there you have it, folks.
If you want to sparkle and shine like never before, be sure to grab yourself some EVA NYC Kweeen Glitter Spray.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay fabulous.